Wednesday, happy trading. Let's go over the trades we made today. Another good day trading. Can't complain. First trade, Amazon. Keep in mind on Amazon, with it being a bigger stock, sometimes we use the 1 minute. So we'll say flat state. We sold within the first bar. We saw an elephant bar. It went up on us. Then it went down and we sold as soon as it passed, and then it went up on us, so we got out. So we kind of had a even trade right there, but then we got in here and we got out here and we made up for it. And then it looks like we played this right here as a bull 180, and we played that to here, even though we got in here and here. We were getting in at the top of the bull 180. Play it to here. That was another win. You keep going. One could say, hey, double bottom, elephant bar, stop, midway point, get out. Probably get out here realistically. You would have had that. You could have doubled right here with this area. If it passes this, we're going to look at to fill the gap. Doesn't pass it there. Let's keep this line intact. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Base away, so waiting for a move up. Maybe this is the move we're looking for. Nope. We played this move right here off the 20. We got out here and got out here. It would have been ideal if we would have tried to ride it to the 200, which it eventually did hit. And then a nice move off the 200, maybe a stop here. Keep in mind that this is not a flat state, but we do still have that build and break, but it's not flat. And again, like I said, it wasn't flat, but do you see how the 200 caught it? Still caught it. Had it have been flat, it would have played out a lot better. Next trade, Google. Google, we have a flat state. I'm going to say an torpedo bar. So we know if it passes this, we're going up. Crosses here. This is a buy. We bought here. It went up, and then we got out in the exact same spot. We figured this was too far away based upon one, two, three fingers. So as soon as that happened right there, which this is a red bar, so that's saying, hey, it's over. So we just got out right before it cost us anything additional. But then we saw another elephant bar off of a flat 200. We went ahead and bought that. Got out here, got out more here. As you can see, that's because the move started way down here. So one push, two push, three push. Comes back, and then this is position of power, as you can see. So we're going to be pushing everything up. So if you get a green bar takeout, that's going up. We tried to play this one, as you can see, but ego got in the way. We didn't hold it. Had we have, it would have been perfect. Um, let's keep going with it. Only position to play now is to play it down. 14, 1 hour left. End of the day. And it finally played it down. And that would have been off the 20 elephant bar, however you want to put it. You still get the exact same move and get out. Let's go to Uber. Um, Uber, flat state, wrong color, takeout, buy, one push, two push, three push, get out. What we ended up doing is we saw this tail bar. We wanted to sell here, and we were going to sell this and play it, try to play it to the 20. We sold it, we sold more, we sold more, and then we ended up getting out. And it's lucky we got out because it went right against us as soon as we got out. Bull 180. Uh, and it looks like it would have went higher than this mark anyway. But as soon as it gets there, it does what we expected it to do, fall to the 20. It might fall even more. Let's see. Nope. That's a okay buy. Wide space. Elephant bar. Elephant bar. Add new high. Probably get out because this. was greater than 50, so we know it's not going to go higher. Get out. Narrow state again. Wide state, narrow state. Next one's going to be Walmart. Narrow state, wide state, using this as the 200. Gotta move off of it. Need it to go above. Could have bought here, but would have immediately exited right here. Didn't catch that. So you're looking for a green takeover. This would qualify because this is all green. And you could play that up and get out here. What we ended up doing is we saw this as a sell. So we sold here, thinking it would go down, looking at this channel. And of course, it was going the opposite way. So, but we got out right with the reason we got in right here. We got a little bit lower, so it was a good trade. We got out. Nothing more you can say. Then we can just look at this position of power, green bar takeouts. Now we're going to look to play it down. This indicates it's been going up for quite some time. Elephant bar, nope. You would have to play that one. Keep in mind, leg one, leg two. Probably get out. Up, down, up. Looks like it kept going. Looks like it kept going for a while, so I was mistaken. Next one, Intel. This is perfect right here. Elephant bar, flat state, position of power, previous close, boom, add, add, get out. Definitely get out. That was towards the end of the day. Let's go to beginning. Anything here? No, not really. So you could say flat state or Fab Fours here. Make it go all the way over here. You could have played it down, played it to the 200, which you ignored. Uh, and I saw, I was thinking this channel. I saw a move off of a 200. Then I saw a move off of a 20. So I bought into it thinking it would go even higher. And as you can see, it did not. So bought, got out. That was profitable. Sold the one last share we had, then tried to buy above here, got out here, lost a little, but nothing significant. But that one, had we held on to it and kept a stop here, we would have got this move right here, which would have been nice. Keep in mind, always can play those bounce offs. Bounce off the 200. Keep in mind, that's flat. Draw the lines. It's probably gonna here, 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 here. Hits it again, that goes down. Oh, it broke out of it. That's where we were talking about making the move there. Narrow state. Buy. What we try to do is narrow state buy here when it was like this. It went against us. Got out perfectly, so great trade. It's basically the end of the day. And last stock, Chase. Oof. Oof. Position of power, so we know it's going to go down. Market opens here. Wait for a red bar takeout. You could consider this, and you'd expect it to go down, but it didn't. Move off of here, off of the 20. You would want to play that up. Keep in mind this. Built up, broke out. Play that. Position of power. Play that. Play that. Based upon the position of power. Play that bull 180 based upon the position of power. Get out. One push, two push. Maybe it has one more in it. Three pushes. There's four pushes. Wow. Five. Wow. Six. Seven. Flat state. Move up. That's what you're looking for. Narrow state. Narrow to wide. Narrow state. Wide. Flat. Look at this. Tail bar right here. You could do that's a torpedo right here. Or you could say this is a green bar. Kind of off of 20. A lot of options. They all say buy. Um, and it should be probably flat the rest of the day. Or it might go up. Let's see. Nope, flat the rest of the day. So it was a good trading day. All good. All days are good days, but it's always good to beat miss market. So, hey, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.